We got euro pound. So move this over here. And then we got to figure out our monthly range. This is also bearish. Monthly range is about, probably about 240. I've got to estimate. I have it estimated here at 250. We can leave it at 250 for now. Obviously it respected this zone here really nicely. And then it's still got to break this zone. And right now it's pretty choppy, pretty flat. So, but I mean, we can definitely draw this out. So let's just say in theory that price is really close to its high of the month. Actually, the high of the month is probably right here at 86. So this is your monthly high per se. We don't know for sure yet, but there is a good chance that it is. And the reason is that it's printing all these wicks here. It is struggling. We know there is bearish momentum because it's below the moving average. Big wicks here, big bear candles here. You know, these weak candles resisting for the end of the month, you know, end of the July here, resisting this zone. So we know it wants to break down. We know it's going to have a tough time breaking this major zone here, but I do think it can do that. And then we head for this big zone here, which is exactly where this is. So this is going to be the monthly low based on its normal range, about 250 pips. So that's our monthly low target. Put this here. It's our stop. This is our full monthly move here, right to September 1st. Don't have to hold the trade that long, but I like to just plan for it in case I need to. And then this is your trade, guys. So as long as price keeps resisting this zone, doesn't really demonstrate that there's a ton of bullish momentum in the market, which I don't think there is. You can tell because these big bear candles, then like I said, these candles are weak and they're resisting this area. So you got this 4 hour, this is perfect. So you got a ton of rejection in this area. You got this 4 hour moving average, price is holding below it, will most likely come up and retest again. So you can also, I want to double check this. So yeah, it's pretty flat, but it's totally rejecting this side. So obviously there's a bit of a zone here. Price, you know, would need to break that, and I think it will, but I don't think you have to really wait for it to break that. I think there's such little bullish momentum in the market right now for this pair that it's probably just not worth waiting, and you could just jump on the short position now. So if you wanted to let price come back up to this zone at about 85.80 kind of thing, this would be your entry right at 85.80, right at the bottom of this zone. Let it come up, fill and reject, and then jump on it, you know, and you're looking at about a 7R here. This is a nice clean trade. Your direct target is this major zone here, which is most likely where price would make it to and then start rejecting and look to you know, pull back up. So it's right at the end of your range. Everything adds up perfectly. I love when things line up good like this and they just make sense. So that's euro pound. Moving on.